Hey everyone, welcome back to Fan Subscriber. If you're looking to grow your channel, grab viewers' attention, and maybe even earn some money, you're in the right place. Today we're unveiling the 8 key secrets to YouTube success. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Let's dive in. Number 1. Define your niche. Your niche isn't just what you're good at, it's what you're passionate about and what can uniquely engage an audience. Whether it's gaming, cooking, or fitness, honing in on your niche will set you apart from the competition. Research trending topics in your niche to keep your content fresh and relevant. Number 2, create high-quality content. Quality matters. This means clear visuals, crisp audio, and content that delivers value. You don't need a big budget. Just focus on improving your skills and investing in basic equipment over time. Storytelling is key. Engage your viewers with compelling narratives. Number 3, search engine optimization. SEO isn't just for Google. Optimizing your video can help you reach more viewers on YouTube too. Use relevant keywords in your title and description to boost your visibility. Include keywords naturally and use tools like TubeBuddy to find SEO-friendly tags. Number 4, engage with your audience. Engagement doesn't end when you publish your video. Interact with your viewers by responding to comments and mentioning their ideas in your videos. This builds a community around your channel. Host Q&A sessions and live streams to connect directly with your fans. Number 5, consistency is key. Consistency keeps viewers coming back for more. Set a realistic upload schedule and stick to it. Whether it's weekly or bi-weekly, consistency helps with audience retention. Use scheduling tools to plan your content calendar. Number 6, leverage analytics. What gets measured gets managed. Dive into your YouTube analytics regularly to understand what's working. Look for insights on demographics, watch time, and engagement to tailor your future content. Adjust your content strategy based on analytical insights. Number 7, monetization strategies. Diversify your income streams. Beyond ads, consider merchandise, sponsorships, and even crowdfunding. Each offers a way to earn money while providing value to your viewers. Choose monetization strategies that align with your brand and audience. Number 8, collaborate with other creators. Collaboration can skyrocket your exposure. Work with other creators to tap into new audiences and bring fresh content to your channel. Select collaborators whose audience overlaps with yours for maximum impact. There you have it, the 8 key secrets to mastering YouTube. So, which tip are you going to try first? If you found this video helpful, kindly give us a like. Don't forget to also subscribe. And switch on the notification bell to receive alert when we drop new content. Until next time, keep creating, keep learning, and keep growing.